Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. Today I will discuss workbook chapter 3, element, compound and mixture. So let's start the chapter. First, here is fill in the blanks. Matter is two type, living and non-living. Again, non-living is two type, pure and impure substance. Pure substance are two type, element and compound, whereas impure substance is only mixture. Element is four type. Suppose metal, non-metal, metalloid and noble gas. Again, mixture is two type, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Next, fill in the blanks. True, false. An element is a pure substance made up of two or more kind of atoms. False, because compound is a pure substance which is made up of two or more kind of atoms. A compound is a pure substance formed by combination of two or more atoms combined together in any ratio. That's why it is false, because compound is always combined in a fixed ratio. Mixtures are impure substances mechanically mixed together in any ratio. Answer is true. Next, here is a periodic table. Two noble gases other than argon. Look at the periodic table. Here are two noble gases except argon, helium and neon. Next, three non-metals which are solids at room temperature. Carbon, silicon. Next, a metalloid other than silicon. Boron. Next, a metal liquid at room temperature. All of you know, mercury. A lustrous non-metal other than graphite. Iodine. A non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Graphite. A monoatomic element which shows the properties of both metals and non-metals has the symbol of Sb. Sb symbol hai, but chemical name is antimony. Antimony is a metalloid which shows the element which shows the properties of both metal and non-metals. A monoatomic element which is chemically inert and present in traces in the atmosphere has the symbol of Xe, matlab xenon. A metal which is non-malleable and non-ductile beyond a certain temperature. Answer is zinc. A non-metal which forms a colored gas. Bromine. A metal which burns with a dazzling white light. Magnesium. A metal whose Latin name is aurum. Answer is gold. A non-metal which burn in air forming a violet vapors. Iodine. A non-metal which constitute about 79% of atmospheric air. Answer is nitrogen, because nitrogen cover up to 78% in the atmosphere. So answer is nitrogen. Next, again, true, false. Atoms of the same element or different element combine to form a molecule. Answer is true. Atomicity is the number of elements that join together forming a molecule of that element. True. Hydrogen is a monoatomic molecule. False, because hydrogen is diatomic molecule. Helium is a diatomic molecule. False, because helium is a monoatomic molecule. Ozone is polyatomic with atomicity 3. Polyatomic हम किसको बोलेंगे? Basically more than 2. More than 2 means उसको हम polyatomic बोल सकते हैं, मगर ozone is basically known as टेट्राटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल, सो इसलिए हम फॉल्स लिखेंगे, बिकॉज मोर ओवर थ्री से ज्यादा होने पे, मतलब सपोज 4, 8, 6, these are also known as polyatomic molecule, but ozone is triatomic molecule. Chlorine is a colored gas with atomicity 1. False. Chlorine gas का atomicity है 17. The atomicity of phosphorus and ozone is the same. False. The number of atom is a molecule of oxygen is 1. False. Water is one example of molecule from atoms of different elements. True. The molecule of nitric oxide contains 1 atom of nitrogen and 2 atom of oxygen. False. Whereas molecular formula of nitric acid is NO. NO. 1 atom of nitrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Combined together, they form nitric oxide. The molecule of zinc nitrate contains 1 atom of zinc, 2 atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of oxygen. Answer is false, because 2 एटम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन नहीं होता है. नाइट्रेट का फॉर्मूला है NO3, मतलब सिंगल एटम ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड 3 एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. सो आंसर इज फॉल्स, बट बाय मिस्टेक आई हैव रिटन 2. So you will change it and answer will be false. Next, choose the correct answer or fill in the blanks. A compound is a pure substance made up of 2 or more different elements. The elements in a compound are chemically combined in fixed proportion. A compound is always homogeneous mixture. Compounds have a definite sets of properties and the component element in the compound do not retain their own properties or original properties. Component in a compound can be separated by chemical means only, because the constituent of compound, they are chemically reacted to form compound. That's why we have to apply some chemical process to separate the constituent of compound. Carbon and oxygen are elements, while carbon dioxide is a compound. Carbon is a combustible substance and oxygen a supporter of combustion. But carbon dioxide is non-combustible and non-supporter of combustion. So hence properties of compounds differ from those of their elements. Dash atoms of element hydrogen, 1 atom of element hydrogen combines with 2 atom of element oxygen, forming forming a compound called water. Next, name the element in the following compound. Ammonia के अंदर कौन कौन सा एलिमेंट है? What is the molecular formula of ammonia? NH3. So the elements are nitrogen and hydrogen. Common salt का compound क्या है? मतलब common salt का symbol क्या है? NaCl. So the elements are sodium and chlorine. Chalk का molecular formula है calcium carbonate. CaCO3. So calcium, carbon and oxygen are the different elements. Next, a mixture is made up of 2 or more substances, element, compound or both, mechanically mixed together in any proportion. A mixture retains the properties of its constituent elements or compound. An example of mixture of 2 compound is sugar solution. Sugar is a compound, whereas water is another compound. So the common example is sugar solution. A salt solution, whatever. Pick the heterogeneous mixture. Alcohol and water is a homogeneous mixture. Oil and water is a heterogeneous mixture. Brush is alloy, homogeneous mixture. Salt and water is homogeneous mixture. Sand and water is a heterogeneous mixture. Ammonium chloride and water, both homogeneous mixture. Iron and sulfur, these are the heterogeneous mixture. Carbon and sulfur, that is a mixture of colloid, so it is a heterogeneous mixture. Dust in air, also heterogeneous mixture. Kerosene and water, heterogeneous mixture. Petrol and diesel, that is homogeneous mixture. And stainless steel alloy, it is a homogeneous mixture. Next, state which of the following characteristic given below pertains to are always homogeneous. Homogeneous always होता है, कौन सा चीज? Compound. इसलिए आंसर B. Are made up of one kind of atoms only. Element. Answer A. Have components which can be separated by physical means. Answer is C. Mixture. Have components which do not retain their original properties. Answer is B. Compounds. Are those which original cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substance by physical means. Answer is A. Element. Next, टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर, मतलब नॉर्मली सेपरेशन प्रोसेस दिया हुआ है और हमको लिखना है सॉलिड सॉलिड, सॉलिड लिक्विड और लिक्विड लिक्विड मिक्सचर को, मतलब दिस प्रोसेस आर यूज फॉर सेपरेट देम. सो सब्लिमेशन, आंसर इज ए, बिकॉज सॉलिड सॉलिड मिक्सचर को सेपरेट करता है. मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन, अगेन ए. सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन, again A, solid solid mixture. Next, fractional crystallization, again A, solid solid mixture. Filtration, solid liquid mixture. Next, sedimentation, also solid liquid mixture. Evaporation, solid liquid mixture. Distillation, again solid liquid mixture. Separating funnel, that is liquid liquid mixture. C. Look at here. C means liquid liquid mixture. Fractional distillation, distillation, also liquid liquid mixture. Chromatography, answer is B, solid liquid. And centrifugation, answer is B, because there is a semi-solid particles and another is liquid. That's why answer is solid liquid. So student, already I have discussed the MCQ type of question of this chapter, and these long question answer you will try at home as per your practice work, but I will not discuss it. So hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So you will follow the MCQ type of question only for your exam. So each and every portion of the textbooks you will read thoroughly for today up to this portion.